Come on, Keen.
Keen's first solid food.
Open up.
You try again? Forget how messy this is. Let's try giving Trevor a little. He's got this fur all over. All right, Trevor, are you ready? It's your turn. It's your turn. Open it up. What do you think? That's pretty cute. I'm gonna get a picture.
Oh, you can take a picture now. You know that?
No, what? Oh, I don't know if I have that option. Take a picture.
I did.
That's cute.
I did.
That's so cute. So whenever you think you have enough video, you can feed.
Need more video.
Take a picture.
I think that's good. You just left him the spoon. Hey, bud.
He seemed ready for it.